Mississippi law allows people convicted of 6 specific crimes to have those convictions expunged or removed from their record. House Bill 1352 passed into law this year will expand that option. Or Quentin Smith, he speaks to the lawmaker about the new law. So Quentin, will all convictions now be excluded in this bill?
Well, not all of them, Scott. Violent offenses such as drug trafficking and embezzlement, among a few others, that they are not able to be expunged. Lawmakers say the push behind this comes from obstacles that many convicted felons face when they're applying for a job. They say this is a law that will impact thousands of people all across the state. During this year's legislative session, state leaders were determined to come up with ways to make getting a job easier for convicted felons.
We felt like that there's a lot of people that's been prohibited from getting good jobs because of the felony question.
As a result, House Bill 1352 was introduced.
Someone who's been convicted of a felony to starting July the 1st to have that felony expunged off their record so that they would not have to answer that question about have you ever had a felony.
In order for someone to be expunged, there are a few requirements. A person must be 5 years removed from serving their sentence. They must also be off of probation and pay off all fines and fees associated with the conviction.
If you have that, you can go get you an attorney, go back to the judge, and if the judge agrees with it, he can have the record expunged.
The felony expungement will be eligible for most nonviolent crimes, with the exception of a few others, including drug trafficking and embezzlement. House Bill 1352 states that people would only be eligible for one felony expungement unless multiple offenses are tied into one event. The cost of the expungement, however, has to be paid for by the applicant.
This is an opportunity for them to clear their record. Right now, somebody with a felony, can't own a gun or have a gun in their possession. And this would clear that up to where they could. And then there's several crimes, felonies, that would prohibit you from voting. And this would also clear that one up.
Now, House Bill 1352 officially goes into effect on Monday, July 1st. The bill also prevents driver's license suspension for non-related drug offenses and unpaid legal fines and fees. To read more about this bill, just head on over to our website at WCBI.com.